Hey guys, and welcome to day 7, and we're going to talk about social media. Okay, so I know this can be scary for a lot of people, but as a coach, it is our job to connect with people and to bring people on our team and to bring people into our challenge groups. And to me, the best way to really do that is through social media. There are many platforms, anything from Facebook to Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, Twitter, so many platforms. But as a brand new baby coach, my suggestion is to pick at least one to start with, learn all you can about it, and then maybe add on another platform after that. Don't expand before you learn the first platform and get the most out of that platform for your business. So with that, you want to talk about finding what your brand is. It is the thing that makes you you and makes you different from other coaches out there. So for me, my brand is helping curvy women, women in the beginning of their fitness journey, full-figured women. That is the platform that I am choosing to brand myself as, because that's me. So that is my brand. So with that, since I figured out what my brand is, now I'm going to use that on the platform that I chose, which when I first started it was Facebook, and I'm going to focus on that group, talk to that group about my journey and what coaching has done for me and what this fitness and health journey has done for me. And that's basically how you use social media. You're just sharing your journey, but you're sharing it publicly. And that's the other thing, guys. If you have a private account on any of your social media platforms, you're going to need to change it to a business account, because if you're in the private, you won't be able to see who's looking at your page. You won't get any insights on what's going on with your page. That's why you should get a business account. The business account shows you your insights and all the things that's going on with people that are coming to your page. So if you have a Facebook business page, or if you have an Instagram business account, you should have a business account. So, and plus they help you grow faster when you have a business account. And Instagram and Facebook both look at business accounts more, because they try to help you. You can promote on Facebook or on Instagram when you have a business account. You can't promote when you have a private account. So it's just a lot more things that you can do. Nowadays, Instagram is where it's at, because they have the stories. Although Facebook is trying to make a comeback, and because they have stories and they have live video, and that's really how people are really growing themselves, by sharing more of themselves authentically through the stories, and then that's organically bringing people to you, because that's how I'm growing right now. I've been focusing more on my stories. I do my feed, but I do more in my stories, just because people want to get to know you, and that the best way for them to get to know you is through your stories, either on Facebook or through Instagram. You can do both. And we'll talk about that a little bit later. This is just the basics to get you to understand what social media is about, and how to use it. You can also, I don't know if I want to scare you and dive into it deep. No, you know what? This is just the basics. Just to get you into it, we're going to talk about getting started with one platform, and growing that platform, learning about it, and growing your followers and your or friends, whatever platform you choose. That's how we're going to get started. And then once you get after this series, then we'll teach more about social media. So that's it for now. So you have your action steps, which is to, number one, pick one platform. Number two, change your platform from private to a business. And then number three, pick your brand. Okay, guys, talk to you tomorrow or later.